Hey guys, today I'm going to show you this app that I made for my mobile application development assignment number 1. This is a restaurant app basically named as Smartdine. When you open the app, you will see these 3 introductory pages. Reserve your perfect table, order and track live, blah blah blah. You can even skip all these 3 introductory pages by clicking on the skip on the right top corner. It will lead you guys to the sign in page. You can also create your account here. I have already created mine with the email and password. Let me quickly put that. We can sign in here, and this is our main home page for this app. As you can see in the top section, you can reserve a table. We have menu, reserve, orders, and loyalty. 4 pages basically here on the dashboard. We also have these today's special. This is the today's special. We can put it in the cart. You guys can see that we have the preparation time, calories, and vegetarian or other options. We can also check the reviews on this one. I already put my review here. You can also write some review, blah blah blah. It would post the review there. Alright, let's head into our menu section. We can see that I'll make another video on. Alright, so this is the second section of the same video that we are making about our app. I cannot record one video because my phone just doesn't save it. Some sort of bug. Anyways, we have this menu section. We have different foods here. We can put any food in the cart and it would show us a green tick there, meaning that the item is added to the cart. We have starters, mains, desserts, cocktails, wine, and so much things. We can also sort out the items using this feature, the rating, price up, price down, popular, and all these things. Anyways, let's head to our cart. As you guys can see, we can even put chef 20. We can apply promo codes on these. As you guys can see, we have a 20% discount on this order. We can also select dine in or takeaway options. So if you want to dine in, you have to click there. If you want to take away, you could click there. Let's check out now. You can put your pickup location is Smartdine restaurant. Obviously it's New York and I have to change the address there. We can also add a tip, 10%, 15%, and let's proceed to our payment now. I have added 4 different options for different people: Apple Pay, Google Pay, cash on delivery, credit card, debit card, stuff like that. Let's move forward with cash on delivery. As you guys can see, we are now at the order confirmation page. You guys can, like, the people can scan this QR code to get a receipt and stuff like that. As you guys can see, the order is confirmed. We can track this order from here. You can even call the restaurant on this phone. Let's head back to our home page now and let's check out our reservation section. You guys can see by clicking on reserve, you can get onto this reservation page. You can reserve for a maximum of 8 people. You can choose different dates and different timings using this section, and afterwards you can select your table preference, location preference, if you would like to sit in the main hall or by the window or in private. So let's choose private, and you guys can put your special requests here: birthday party with friends. We can confirm our reservation. As you guys can see, this is the reservation code, this is the reservation QR code that you guys can scan and get a confirmation and receipt there that you guys can show to the manager when you reach the restaurant. Let's head back to the home page now and check our loyalty section. So basically, by ordering different food or reserving tables for yourself, you earned a lot of points. So like ordering a burger would give you 50 points, or reserving a whole table for yourself would give you 200 points. You guys can use these points to get free starters, free desserts, and stuff like that. So the loyal customers, they can benefit from this little feature. And afterwards we have our profile page. In profile page we can use the app in dark mode or light mode. We can check our order history, and we can check the settings. You can play around here and there. You can even also change the language in the app, which is not fully functional, but this is also a thing. I have to work on these other things too. They're not fully functional yet. So we also have this admin page where the managers can check different orders which are preparing or delivered or confirmed. These are not fully functional yet, but this is just an idea, a UI for the managers who can get different information about the restaurant and what's going on within the restaurant. So yep, this was pretty it. We also have chef's table, stuff like that.